In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a fully monetizable blog. If you haven't done blogging before, or if you've watched some videos and feel like blogging is too much work, and you feel like it's going to take too much time, this video is for you because I'm going to be showing you how to get into blogging without writing the blogs yourself or spend money hiring a writer. I found an AI tool that can help you run your entire blogging business. It'll write the articles for you. It'll also post them on your website. It will do all that automatically. And that means this tool can make you thousands of dollars without doing too much. This tool is called SEO Writing. And I used it to generate this article right here. You can see that these images here are generated. It generated the images for the article. It also added YouTube videos that are related to the blog, and it did all that while keeping my brand voice the same. This AI writing tool doesn't just write articles or blog posts, it also ensures that they are SEO optimized and sound like they were written by a human. And that's why a lot of people, writers, marketers, content creators, they all use this tool to create unique, highly converting content. So if you're watching this video right now, you're doing it at the right time, because they just released an update that features DeepSeek and GPT-o1 Mini, which are the best models when it comes to writing. I'm going to break down step by step how to create this type of articles with just one click and schedule them so that they can post automatically on your website. My name is Charles. Let's get started. To create a blog post, go to SEOwriting.ai. I'm going to leave the link to this platform in the description of this video. So just click the link. It's going to take you to this website. So what we're going to do is to click on Get Started for free. You're going to click here, and then what you're going to do is to sign up, enter your details, name, email, and all that, or sign up with your Google Mail. Once you click on sign up, you'll be able to set up an account for free. Once you're logged in, you're going to see this dashboard. So what you're going to do is to click on one-click blog posts. Here you can just start creating blog posts or generating articles, or you click on bulk article generation to generate multiple articles at the same time. I'm going to talk about this later in the video. So let's just go straight into generating our blog posts with one click. So you're going to click here. So once you're here, you're going to enter the main keyword and the title of the blog post or article that you want to generate. Now, there are certain things you need to understand before getting started with this. If you want your article or blog post to perform well, there are two main things you should consider. The first is your niche. What niche would you be creating articles in? Do not go in too thin. Do not go in too broad. You don't want to do that so that search engines can understand what your blog is all about and push your blog posts or your articles to the relevant audience. And the second thing you need to consider is keyword. You need to understand which keywords people search for in the niche you have chosen. And this is going to help search engine prioritize your content over other content. The great thing about this platform is that it creates blog posts or articles with relevant keywords in them so that search engines can easily pick your content when those keywords are searched. And that's essentially what SEO is all about. So once you enter the main keyword here and you generate a title, you can get started with creating this. All right. So what we are going to do is to enter the main keyword. But first, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button. There are lots and lots of helpful videos. So subscribe, hit the like button. Now, enter the main keyword. So let's say you want to generate a blog post about the best gaming laptop. So what we are going to do here is to enter the keyword about the blog post. So I'm going to write best gaming laptops and then enter the blog post title. If you have a title, fine. But if you don't have a title, you can just click on generate a title. As you can see, it has generated a title for this blog post, Find the Ultimate Gaming Laptop, Our Top Picks. Now, this title looks good. What we're going to do is to scroll down. And if you want to generate this article in another language, you can change this from English, but we're going to leave this in English. It has other languages also. Now, we are going to select the article type, but we are going to leave this as none. You can generate how-to, guide, product review, comparison, case study, tutorial, and all that. So we are going to leave it at none, okay? Now we're going to select the article size. The article size, we have medium, large. I'm going to leave it at medium. If I select large, you can see that the words range from 3,600 to 5,200 words. This is massive. So we're going to leave it at medium. Medium will generate 2,400 words to 3,600 words. This is really good. So what we're going to do is to scroll down here and select the tone of voice. There are different tones: professional, transactional, inspirational. I'm going to leave it at friendly because I want the audience to resonate with what I'm writing. And then the AI model, very important. You're going to select DeepSeek V3 real-time SEP. Now, these are the new models that I just put out. So I'm going to use this model here. It's very good model. And then for the point of view, I'm going to leave it at second person point of view. The text readability, you can leave this. And then the target country, United States. And then the brand voice, very important. Now, the brand voice is something that a lot of people use, a lot of businesses. So if you have a writing style, if you're a content creator, a writer, and you have a writing style, and you want the AI to keep that brand style, all right? What you're going to do is to click here. You're going to create the brand voice. And how can you create this brand voice? You're going to click here on create brand voice. So you can just add a text here or just add a website, and to scan the website and write the article in the tone of how the content for your website is written. All right. And you can just upload a file. Maybe you've written a couple of articles or blog posts before. You can just upload it here, and then it's going to write this blog post in that same tone and manner. So I'm going to upload a couple of scripts, right? So I'm going to click on upload. I'm going to upload the document. So you can see, based on the document I uploaded, it has gotten my voice tone, point of view, style of expression, brand, archetype, target audience, and all that. So what I'm going to do is to save the brand voice. So now that I've done this, I'm going to continue. So we are going to select the brand voice I created. I'm going to select this tech guide expert. This is my brand voice. And then here you can add details. Maybe you want to include phone number or specific details in the article or blog post. Just add those details here. For me, I'm not going to include any. I don't have any specific details that I want included here. And down here, if you want images to be generated, if you want AI images, you're going to click yes. If you don't want images, you're going to leave it at none. I'm going to leave it at yes. And then I'm going to change the number of images to 4. I want 4 images on the article. And the image style, I want a photo type email. And then I'm going to leave the image size here, but you can change it if you want. And then here, if you want to give the AI extra instructions on how the image should be generated, you can just enter the details here. And then if you want your brand name to be on the images, you enter the brand name here. So for example, I'm going to say, I can say King Charles Digital. I'm going to leave that here. And then I can leave this check mark on if I want to include this main keyword, the main keyword in the first image as alt text. Now, this is very important. Leave this checked on for SEO purposes so that relevant keywords will be at the alt text. All right. And if you want this also, if you want to add informative alt text images based on the content, you can just click on this to add this. And YouTube video, if you want the article to have YouTube videos, you leave it at yes. And number of videos, you can say, let's say 4 videos. We want 4 videos in the article. And then the layout options, you can choose different layout options. Could be image and video, or video and image, or first images and then videos. I'm going to leave the AI, I'm going to leave them to alternate the image and the video, to just do it like that. And then if I want all media elements to be placed strictly under the headings, I'm going to tick here, all right? But I'm going to leave the AI to decide, all right? Let the AI do the job, right? So here you can add keywords that you want included in the text, but the AI would automatically generate keywords, which is why this platform is really good. So I'm going to leave it for the AI to automatically generate the keywords in the blog post. So I'm going to scroll down. So here for the structure, you can start the introduction with a question or a fact or a story or something personal or emotional. So for me, I'm going to start the hook, the introductory hook, with something personal or emotional. So I'm going to click here, and here I want a conclusion, I want a table, I want history, yes, I want list to be on the article. So all these, if you want all these in the article, just leave it at yes, 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 yes. bold. Yes, I want FAQs and all this. So this is real good. So the next in internal linking, you can automatically index your site and add links relevant to this particular blog post here, right? The AI will automatically do it. So you can just select your website. If you have not added the website, you can add the website. And then once you select that website, the AI is going to automatically select pages or blog posts that have already been created on the website and link it internally to the blog post, which is really good for SEO. That means this thing is just doing all the work for you. This is real good. And then for external linking, if you want the AI to link other articles from other platforms, other websites, you can change this to yes, automatic, and then it's going to link all that. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, for this part, if you want this AI to to get the content from the web, to connect to the web, you change this to yes, very important. Now, this platform can also create other marketing materials like Twitter posts, LinkedIn posts, Facebook posts, email newsletter, WhatsApp message, and Pinterest pin. So if you want that to be generated from this blog post, just change all this to yes, maybe single, yes, yes, change all this. And then it's also going to generate all these posts. So you can just copy and post on yours, your different social media platforms, which has saved you a lot of stress. Now you can link this to a particular page, but for now I'm not going to cover this. The next is the outline editor. If you want to edit the outline for the blog post, you can just edit it from here. You can enable this, but I'm going to skip this and scroll down here. So now before we publish it, we want to do this last part, which would be connecting this blog post to our website. Now you only have to do this once. So once you connect this, this blog post, your first blog post to the website, you can just automatically generate it and then it will publish automatically on your website when you publish the blog post. So we are going to connect this blog post to a website. We are going to click add a website. So click on connect. Now you can see the instructions on how to install this. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to install this. All right. So what you're going to do is to go to your WordPress website if you have WordPress, and then click on plugins, add new plugins, and then we're going to search for SEO Writing. And then what we're going to do is to click on install and activate. So once it's activated, if you scroll down here and go to your settings, you'll see SEO Writing at the bottom. So you can click on SEO Writing. Once you click on it, you can click on connect. Remember, you have to be logged into your SEO Writing account to connect this. You can see WordPress site, kingcharlesdigital.com, successfully connected. So if I post this blog, it's going to automatically publish on my website without me doing anything. Another thing that you can do quickly is that you can go to your settings here and change this to, to JSON LD, all right? And put this yes if you use Elementor. So if you use Elementor, just do these settings, change this to JSON LD. I'm going to leave this JSON LD and then split incoming posts into blocks. And then you can click on save changes, and that's all. So what we're going to do is to go back to our blog and publish it. So we're going to come back here and select the website which we've added, which is this, kingcharlesdigital.com. And once we have done that, we are going to select the post type to be page, parent page, none, post status, publish. So you can schedule the post. So if you don't want this to be posted now, you can just schedule it for some time in the future or just keep it as draft. But I'm going to publish it. I want it to publish straight away. And the author, I'm going to leave the author as admin. And the format, you can select the format. Use main keyword in URL. Use title. You're going to use title as the URL slug. So, and the options, add featured image, add. Okay, now everything is set. We are set. What we are going to do is to click on run. And we have our article ready. You can see the title and the image that I generated with King Charles Digital boldly written on the image. You can see what he did here, the tables. And this article looks good. It looks like it was written by a human. You can also see YouTube link added here. This is a YouTube video and another YouTube video. And you can see external links. This article looks good. This will take you days, hours to write an article like this, do the research and all that. And by the right here, you can see the keywords. It added close to 50 keywords. It added a lot of keywords on this article. I can see them listed here, which shows that this particular article is SEO optimized. You can see that you can get started for free and you can generate up to 5 articles, which is good. It is generous. And you can see the starter price if you want to, to get more from it and generate up to 50 optimized article. And you can see the professional plan for $59 per month, which will give you 250 SEO optimized articles. So you'll be posting, if you want to post one article every day on your website, you can at least have this, but if you want to do it like a business and have, close to 2 articles a day on your platform, on your website, then you want to go for this professional plus plan. So if you want to really make money from blogging, you should go with this $119 per month plan. All right, and you can change this to 1,000 articles and you can see how much, but so you can go with this and then later on you increase it. All right, so I'll leave the link to SEO writing in the description of this video. Also use this discount coupon code showing on the screen when signing up. Just enter the discount code before making payment and you're going to get 25% discount. So can you make money from blogging? Can you make money from putting out blog posts? Yes. There are 3 popular ways to make money through blogging. The first is the most passive. It is by using CPC ads, which is cost per click. Now, this is similar to YouTube ads where you get paid if someone watches or clicks an ad on your website. So you can place ads on your blog, on your articles and stuff like that. The second way is through monthly sponsorships. So as you consistently publish blog posts on your website, your traffic grows, businesses might pay you a fee, pay you something, just to place an ad on your website. And finally, the third method, which is my personal favorite, is affiliate marketing. This can make you thousands of dollars, right? You don't need a ton of followers. You don't need high traffic to start making money from affiliate marketing. You just simply need to join an affiliate network. You find the product that fits your niche and then include the affiliate link in your blog post. And whenever someone clicks on your link and they buys, you earn a commission. Just imagine selling a laptop. Just imagine I put out this blog post and add affiliate links to that laptop, and that laptop is close to like $2,000, and I get affiliate percentage of 10%. 10% is $200, or sometimes affiliate commissions can get up to 20%. That's $400 for just one sale. I don't want to make this video very long, so just in case you don't know how to create a WordPress website, I'm going to show you step by step in another video how to create a WordPress website with AI and different ways you can make money from that website. I'm going to break it down. All right. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. There are lots of helpful videos on this channel. Like this video and check out this video here. I made it for you.